enter the external folder. Right now, create a file, a style.css under the external folder. A style.css. A style.css under the external CSS folder. A style.css under the external CSS folder. Create a file. Home.html. HTML under the external CSS folder. Two files. One is .html, another one is .css. One is style.css, another one is home.html. Both files are ready. Come to the CSS file. For body tag, write one CSS margin 0px. Margin 0px. And for H1, font size 40 pixel, color red.
So you created an internal CSS.
External CSS. Oh, I created under the internal CSS.
Yeah.
And this is under the okay. It should be under the external CSS. Okay, in CSS, H1 color red, font size 60 pixel, color again red. Now next after that, we can come to the home file. In home file, we have to link with HTML file. We have to link with CSS file because CSS file is separate and HTML file is separate. We have to link both. Okay, we have to link both. Okay, ready? Come to the home file now. You have to link now HTML with CSS using link tag. Add a style, not a style, link rel. A style sheet you have to pass here. style sit href equal to the file name. The style sheet here represent the type of file. What type of file you are going to call? What type of file you are going to call? That is called style.css. That is called a style sheet. Okay, hope ready. Come down. Follow the body tab. Open and close. Right inside the H1. Welcome home. Run the file. It's coming in the red color. If H1 is coming in the red color, meaning your both the files are linked. HTML and CSS, both the files are linked. Let us run this file. After running this file, you can see welcome home is coming in the red color. That meaning the CSS you have written in a style.css and the HTML you have written under the home.html, both are linked together using the tag called link tag. Okay. This is the most frequently used method in the market. This is called external CSS. Okay. Using link method, we link it. Benefit is what? You have suppose a lot of pages in your project. All the project CSS you can write in one file. And after that, you can link your one CSS file with all the HTML pages. That is called one-to-many. Write CSS one place and link to all the HTML pages. If you write a class one place in one CSS file, same class you can use throughout the project anywhere. Suppose button you created red color. A class you wrote per button red color. Now in project, suppose 100 pages you have, everywhere you call the same class. Everywhere the button will be red. Okay. Now, not only this much, let's add here some heading. Open the UL, close the UL. Write the li, hit href, here call home, or maybe you can write call dashboard. You can give file name called home.html. Okay. Next call users or user minus client. next call product, manage products, manage products. Save this file. We can write the css for id top nav. Top nav have ul, top nav have li. Everywhere now you will create two more files, user and product. Copy and paste the same content in all remaining two files. Change the heading. Okay, ready? Create next page, user.html. In that, this content we can copy and paste everything, and we can change heading, user management or manage clients. Manage clients. The same folder. File name is user. The same file, paste in the next file. Give the file name product.html. Below you can write heading manage product. So third party file is also ready. Product.html. Manage products. Save the file product.html. Now go and check all three pages. Hyperlink. In every page, the color is same or different. We can click and check wherever it will go, the color remain same. Whichever the page it will go, color remain same.
Sir, what is the difference of frame set and links here?
What is the difference of
Frame set and link.
frame set and link?
Yeah.
Link will help you to link HTML file with CSS. Frame set will help you to link HTML file with HTML.
So frame sets are used only in HTML.
The HTML to HTML.
Okay.
Now in this example, you are calling CSS file under the HTML. Is it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So CSS file we are calling in HTML using the tag called link tag.
Link.
Yes, using the same link tag. If you want in frame set to call a other HTML file, that you can't do. Because
Okay.
link tag is made for just to link HTML with the CSS. In frame tag we have, using the frame tag, we can call a HTML file. Here we are not calling the CSS file, we are linking the HTML to CSS file. Okay, so it's becoming a one-to-many. CSS we have one file and HTML you got total three files. Now if you modify under the CSS anything, it will reflect in all the HTML file if it is match. If it is matched with the ID or class, it will apply all three places. Loading CSS error. Okay, now come to the CSS file. In CSS file, red color you have written, change to green and check once. You will find all three files will convert into green. All three files will convert into green. All three files, color, text will convert into which color? Green color. So it is one-to-one or one-to-many? One-to-many. Okay. Write one place and call throughout the project. In InfoCampus website, if you go to any page, the header remains same, footer remains same. Meaning you want CSS file is only one. Pages are 3000 pages are there inside, but CSS file is only one. Okay. So everywhere, whichever the page will go, header footer remain. Now we can write the CSS. Next for ULLI. UL we are calling by the ID call this one, top nav. UL we are calling by the ID called top nav. So let's go. Write hash top nav for top nav background color. You can give any color, your wish. Next, not Gyan, Sivan. CYAN, Sivan. Next, after that, padding 15px, color orange color, orange cyan. Okay, orange color try once, which is how it comes. but color will not apply from here. Okay. Margin 0 px, text line, let it be left. Next, under the top nav, we have some li. Under the top nav, we have one li. Li. Under the li, you can write again display the inline. Then you can write padding somewhere 16-17 px. (16 pixel) top bottom, left right keep 30 pixel. Then under the top nav of li have 8. Color should be orange color. Font weight will be bold. Font weight will be bold. And text decoration none. No any type of text decoration. Check now. All the links will be. You go to any page will open. Navigation remains same. Text content will be changed. Cyan color is not looking very highlighted. We need to change some other color. Dark cyan. How it come? It is there or not? Dark cyan, something like this. Dark blue, how it will look? With the dark green. Okay, so we did changes one place and it's reflect how many places? All three places. Any changes you do one place in the navigation, all places it will get applied. Black was missing. Okay, change to black. Now there is another option, background hyphen image colon linear hyphen gradient linear gradient. Under the linear gradient, you can pass two color combination, green and red, and suppose I kept color as orange. And you can write here to left, but color is also orange here. You can check once and change the color combination, should be cross color. Red, green, blue. It should generate the three color combination navigation. See, navigation is coming in which color? Three color. Text will be white, I guess. Text we can keep as a white. Text white. Yes, this will look better. Please write it. Background we can set using the linear gradient also. Yesterday, not yesterday. Some days before we have written animation. You remember? Now can you write animation to change the navigation color? 3 times, 4 times. See, your color is coming here, no? Two color combination, right? You can write animation, and once the animation will start, the color should keep changing: black, red, black, blue, black, white, black, green. Do something. I will write here one over effect. Huh? Keyframes only. Using keyframes only. Using the keyframes, you change the background of top nav. That is called animation. Colon hover. Background. Green or blue color. When the mouse will touch the top navigation, background will convert into blue color. Something like this. Okay, now a small task for you. Write a keyframe, write an animation, and change the background of top nav 3 times in 10 seconds. Write an animation, change the background of navigation 3 times in 10 seconds. After writing, anyone can share the code also in chat. Okay, writing something. No. Sorry. Anyone written? The requirement was using animation, you have to change the background color 3 times in 10 seconds. If no, then let's follow me. I will guide you here. At the rate keyframes my nav inside you can write when %25 of time will get finished, change to this is the name of the banner. This is the name of the animation that we will be calling here. Image linear gradient to right, green and red. %50 green and black. 75% to left, red and black. Now after that, this my nav we need to call here as a animation colon name of the animation. Animation hyphen duration 10 second. Animation hyphen iteration hyphen count infinite. So color will keep changing for top nav. Color no matter. We'll test once, it should work anyhow. Animation will apply, it will keep changing. Ready? Changing navigation. Add one more property here, box shadow. Zero px, zero px, 10 px, blue color. Shadow will get applied.
Hello, sir. Animation not working.
Thrice.
Hello.
Check 2 times, 3 times. Compare. There
Yeah.
mistake.
Yeah, sir. My
If not working, then I will give you the code. Replace it.
sir share the code.
Send you can replace both.
Yeah.
Box shadow you added. You can see little shadow got applied surrounding the menu. Which color? Blue color shadow. Whichever the page you go, everywhere the CSS will remain same. Okay, then we can go ahead next. And this is which file? Dashboard file, home file. Dashboard is linking to the home, others are linking to another. Now let's open the internet and download open the internet and open the website called getbootstrap.com. We will download the icons. Getbootstrap.com. not getbootstrap.com. Another one, fontawesome.com. Fontawesome.com. Getbootstrap.com, we have to download the bootstrap. Here, font awesome. From here, we'll take the icons. Font awesome. Font awesome. This website is especially for icon purpose. You can see different type of designs. Icons are there. Normal icon, animated icon, moving icons. We have many more icon here. You can see here. Brands, donate, thin, solid, regular, light, different type of icons. You can see here one more option is there called icons. If you click on icons, it will show you list of all the icons. Click on that icons. Click on icons, then you will come down below. It says total icons in font awesome. See this many, 16,000. This many category, and this is the icons are free. 2009 icons are free. Okay, so for to create a project, we can create a project with the free icons itself. Coming down, see they have categorized again. They have categorized again. This is 450 brands icon. These all are the brand icons. So on website we see PayPal, phone icon. These all are from here only. Facebook icon, Android and all. Then here under the, so it says like you can search from here any kind of icons. Font, it's a 6th version as of now. There is a 5 version, all versions. Okay, so our target is not at this point. Our target is come to the home file, come to the home link, and from the home link, you need to go to the start free. Where is the download option? Okay, I think this is the one, or this is the one. Start. Okay, fontawesome.com/download. You can keep download. Fontawesome.com/download. Fontawesome.com/download. Okay, so download. Come down. There is a version called 6th. Then after that you have called Pro for web and free for web. So we will click on free for web. Okay, so in download list, you can see you have a button here, free for web. Another one is Pro for web. We'll click on free for web. P for web. After downloading this folder, you can extract. After downloading, extract that folder. After downloading, do the right click and extract that. Network should be there, no? That laptop. Slow, fast, that I cannot do anything. Mine is connected to the cable. You can connect with your mobile data if it is a fast. Download, after downloading, extract it. So after downloading, once you extract, please let me know. After downloading, you can do the right click, extract here. Extraction will happen. This kind of folder will come out. Not able to. Which browser you are using? Where I will bring the internet. Tell me if I remove from here, it will get disconnected. iPhone. Connect, no? Connect, you can connect. Connecting. You both downloaded, extracted. So hope everyone is ready, right? This folder you have downloaded. This folder has so many things inside. See that network is coming, another network, so many, one network is there I'll guide you. It will get shut down if see the cable will be far, it will shut down, we have to do double practice. So this folder, correct, you can copy. See, inside this folder we have a structure like this. CSS, font, so many folders are there. So the parent folder of this, all the folders, parent folder is this folder. We can copy and paste into our external CSS. Copy and paste into our external CSS. The folder you have downloaded, extracted folder, copy and paste under the do the copy paste and rename as icon. Folder name, default folder name was this folder name, rename as icon. Okay, so download is done. In this folder, this is also one CSS, external CSS only. but it is not made by us, made by someone else. Come to that icon folder and CSS folder. Go to the icon folder and CSS folder. In icon folder and CSS folder, go to the icon folder and CSS folder. Icon folder and CSS folder, you will find a file all.css. So many CSS are there, but one file is all. It will have a combination of all, everything. See, regular brands, old version, new version, all will be under this all.css file. You can open that and check once inside. It has so many classes. So many classes are written inside. Okay, so many classes are written inside. Right, you can see everywhere there will be class. Everywhere there is a class. Everywhere it is all full based on class only. Okay, all full based on class. Now each class have some different meaning. We are going to see how we can use these libraries. Okay, this is a library made by someone else, the font of some people. These icons, libraries have a list of icons. 16,000 something it was showing. So those icons, in that 2009 icons are free. Those all we can use. Suppose for example, if you want to display one icon, if you want to apply the border, you can call this class called fa-border. If you want to apply the float left, you can call this class fa-pull left. If you want to apply float right, you can call this class fa-pull right. Similar way, since something fa-bit is there, bounce is there, some fade is there. So these classes are, it has a different kind of design icons that we can use and we can see inside the page. A spin reverse, it will start rounding in reverse order. Only a spin means it will start running in reverse order, that rotation comes. So how to use these classes, we will see under the home file. So hope your icon folder is ready and you have kept the icon folder in which folder? External CSS. And under the icon folder, there should not be font or some folder. Under the icon folder, there is a folder called CSS. This is the folder structure. Okay. Now come to the home file, home.html file. How we are calling our CSS file style.css. Similar way, we can call one more file here. That is called, folder name is called icon slash CSS slash, what is that file name? All.css. All.css. Okay, so it is called icon CSS all.css. Icon CSS all.css. Call that link. Icon is a folder name. Inside there is a CSS folder. Inside that there is a file called all.css. Now how to call these icons? How to use the icons? We can write here. You can use a class called tag called iTag. Along with iTag, you can write a class FA. FA is the initial class. It's compulsory everywhere. For normal icons, you have to write FA, and for the you can say brand icon, you will write as a FAB, FAS, FAR. Multiple class names are there that we can use. So this should be initial class. After that, what icon you want to display, that class name you have to write. Suppose fa hyphen desktop, it will give you fa hyphen desktop, it will give you desktop icon. Check once in home file, you will see a small desktop icon will appear. A small desktop icon will appear. Coming. When a small desktop icon will appear in home file, you need to reload the home file. Desktop icon will appear. That is the somewhere 16 pixel size. If it is coming, add one more. Right here fa hyphen 2x. fa hyphen 2x. It will come little big size. 16 pixel. 16 pixel. Hello. हाँ हाँ बोलो ना. हाँ हाँ. अच्छा 47,500. हाँ 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 हो जाए. हाँ हाँ ठीक. हम्म. हाँ हाँ. Okay, desktop is coming big size. Check once. 2x will be little bigger. You can write another one, 3x. That will be little more bigger. Three x. Next is 4x. 4x will be more bigger. It will go till 10x. Then you will ask 1x means what? 1x means 16 pixel. 2x means 32. 1x is equal uh, 16 pixel equal to 1 REM. Look at this file, no? You can go in the beginning. Here is written. See here. 1x means how much? 1 EM equal to 16 pixel. 2x equal to 32. 3 EM 38. How much? 48. Now. Then similar way. 16 into 4. 16 into 5. 16 into, it will go till where? 10. 5x. 6x. It will go till 10x. If you want, you can write it. Hmm. 16 pixel. EM or REM, check no? EM and REM both should be same. EM and REM. REM is 16, should be same only, 16 only. See now. Coming different icons. Color combination is not there. Okay. Color is not there. Let me show you here. FA-spin. Spin. It should start rotating. FA-spin. There is another class called a spinner. Loading symbol will come. See, let me go here. FA-spinner and FA-spin. This is the ready-made classes. Oh, spin now came. Spin, SPI double M. This keep changes also. FA-spinner-spin. See, it's called as a loader. On internet, when you fill the form, click on submit button to start loading. That is called a spinner. We can change the color, blue color, orange color, depending on. So we'll create here. Tomorrow we'll add here dashboard icon, some icon everywhere. Font awesome. Images. Border radius and okay, that was customized icons. Now I will guide you. This all are some more icons are there. Okay. See, this came in this was introduced by Bootstrap first version. Okay, but Bootstrap people have not focused on this. People started using the Bootstrap icon. Behind this company came. Okay, Bootstrap was the free icons. This company came with a lot of very good icons, and this company started working on icon itself. Okay, so this company become the seller of icon, and Bootstrap become a free of icon. So still Bootstrap icons are, I think they have removed also. They don't have icon at all. Okay, and this company become famous for the icon. So out of 16,000, 2,000 is a free. Remaining all are paid. So whichever the commercial website we see, healthcare website or any, you can say banking website, okay, or Sulekha just that, they will not use the free icons. They use the paid icons. And these icons are cheap only, not very cost. Maybe $160 you will get all 16,000 icons. Okay, in 2000, when you can say 9, 10, not 9, 10, 8, 9, when I was going for interviews and all, people were asking, you know, Photoshop? Okay, Photoshop was compulsory that time. But when this came in the 2011, from there onwards, Photoshop became optional. Because we need to design the icons. All 16,000 icons are there. Whatever you would think more than that is available. Okay, in that 2000 is a free, almost everything that you need. Okay, so then from the UI developer, icons is nothing. Sorry, for UI developer, Photoshop knowledge is nothing. So that knowledge is required especially for graphics designers who want to go in the graphics designing, animation and all. They need to have a knowledge on Photoshop, Illustrator. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Hmm? Yeah, we can increase. We can write classes, margin class we can write. Border is there, pull left, pull right. Tomorrow we'll create this two. This dashboard will be this one. Let me show you. Dashboard, what was the intention to write that? The dashboard page we are going to design like this. In assignment folder, you can see the photos. Here is the photo one. Let me open this. See this icon? The dashboard, what we have made the page, that will look like this. Assignment 3. CSS assignment. Okay. 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 See you tomorrow.
To define icons, we use itag here in the HTML.
We can use label also, we can use bold also, but the problem is using bold tag, italic bold tag, underline tag, label tag. Some extra CSS are written in Bootstrap. Okay, we have a method called CSS by tag name, you remember? So in the case of CSS by tag name, for bold tag, for other tag, label tag and all, some CSS are written in the where Bootstrap file. Now, if you use here label tag, it will work, but there may be conflict. Once you use the Bootstrap, maybe the icon is coming from here, the font class, that may be conflict. Okay, so people say, okay, use those tags that is not used by anywhere. Okay, Bootstrap also people will not use, other library also not use. Most of the places, I is not for the icon. Don't keep in mind, I is not a stand for the icon. You can use label. Let me write here. One tag called U tag. U tag I open and U tag I close here. Okay. Let me see whether for U tag it is coming or not. Which one was I have written for U tag? First one. First one. Okay. Let me keep here something hello. Then we'll come to know really it is working. Yeah. See, it's coming here. No, hello is coming after the icons. Okay, so it will work. Other tag will also work, but using other tag, other library have wrapped with the CSS. Okay, so that people suggest for icon tag, use I tag. Most of the places for I tag, people have not written anything. Other tag also you can use. EM, REM, other tags are there.
So span is also there. So span.
All inline tag is applicable. Whichever the inline tag you have, all you can use. Label is inline, italic is inline, bold is inline. You can use any tag.